Okay, so what is up guys, and in this video this is an update video. So it's been a while since I have launched the Whoosh sound effects pack. It has been like 2 years now, so I decided to add on some new ones. You can use them in your personal as well as your commercial projects. Sound effects can take your videos to the next level. Also, if you guys want to or have some interest in sound design, then I have made several videos on them. You guys can check them out. Also, these are totally free of cost, right? So there is no hassle from your side. But if you're looking for very high quality sound effects, there are very good websites out there for proper sound design. For example, Epidemic Sound is there for sound effects, Audio is there for sound effects. I use both of them. The sound effects are pretty good and for pretty cheap price, so I'll just link both of them in the description below. Also, the background music in this video is from Sonata, so make sure to check them out from the description below as well. With that being said, I'll see you guys in the next one, and these are all the different Whoosh effects which I gathered for this video. You're welcome. See you guys in the next one. Peace. Okay, so hey guys, and today's shout out goes to the awesome media guy. Do make sure to subscribe to his channel. He has pretty good gaming videos. Dude, make more videos. You're going to shine really soon. With that being said, if you guys want a chance for me to shout you out in the next video, then do make sure to comment in this video about what you guys think about it, and I'll choose any one of you for the next video. Peace.